One lucky Irish guy here. I'm going to show you how I make a French Martini. First thing we'd like to do is we like to need a martini glass and chill it. So what we need to do is just put a little bit of ice in there. Or actually, if you're like me, you have glasses already in the chiller or the refrigerator. But in this case, let's let it sit there and get cold while we make the martini. First thing we're going to do is make martini. We're going to use vanilla vodka, Citron vodka, Chambord, pineapple juice, and lemon for garnish. Now we found a better raspberry liqueur that has a better price point called Chateau St, and that's what we're going to use here. Let's begin. First thing we're going to do is get your mixing tin, get your shot glass, put 1 part of vanilla. One part of Citron. We're going to go with 1 part of Chateau St. 2 parts of the pineapple juice. Throw some ice in your mixing tin. Give it a good shake. I like a shaker. 11 seconds. Get your hawthorn strainer, place it on top, dump your ice out. Now we found the consistency and the color is best when it's like my wife says, Victoria's Secret pink. If you like it a little sweeter, you can put a little more Chambord or Chateau St in there. We found we like a Victoria's Secret pink. Next thing you're going to do is get your lemon garnish, pipe it around the edges, drop it in there, and give it a whirl. That's how we rock the French Martini around here. Ooh, that's good.